Hi, good evening. So this is a battery, what do you call it now? Electronic load tester. So basically it applies load to a battery depending on whatever load you set it, which is not above the value that it can do. It will apply the load, maybe 10 amps. You set it to 10 amps to apply the load to your battery. Then you can now use it to test the capacity of the battery. So now this is an upgraded version. Okay, the former one, the DC terminal, was plastic and now is metal. Then it's this power supply, the former one does not have this type C input, but this one now it has it. And I think there are also some, even the board, there are differences here. Okay, so basically what I needed here is just the positive and the negative cables. I have connected it. Underneath it you can see the plus and minus sign where you can connect it. So I think this version is very good in the sense that you can even use your power bank to power it. Okay, so let's try this and see. They wrote 5 volts 2 amps. Okay, or they say PD QC 12 volts 1 amp. So this, I'm using a QC port here, so it should work perfectly well. But I have a battery that I want to discharge. Wow, you can see even the way the display is now different. Wow. Okay, let me remove this actually. So I'll remove this. Okay, time discharge. I think it's basically the same thing, but I think this screen is bigger. You can also download your Bluetooth app so that I can use the Bluetooth to control it. So first things first, I think it's in constant current CC. That's basically what I need. And the battery I have here is 4S 12.8 volts. That is lithium-ion phosphate battery. So let's see. If I wanted to change this in, I can change the constant voltage, constant resistance, constant power, constant current. That's what I want. So time, cutoff voltage, I'll set it to 10. Wow, I think this is really fast. Okay, then what else? Language. Even the display now is different. Standby brightness, standby, limit time discharge, voltage calibration, current discharge, cutoff volts. Wow, over current protection, over power protection, over temperature, zero no load current, hot water, the faucet, limit discharge. And see, there are now so many things now. Over temperature, zero no load. Okay, zero all data. Wow, I really like this one. The former one, you cannot be able to do all this stuff. You can see it has cleared the data. So what I'm going to do is this. The battery is at 14 volts. I'm going to connect this to the positive terminal. As it's reading 13.9 now. So I'll just go to constant current. I'll set it to 10 amps. Okay, the former one, the zeros were about 2, but this one you can see the zeros are up to 4. Then I can now click here to start. So it has started discharging. I'll leave this tomorrow morning. By tomorrow morning, the battery must have not finished discharging, okay, because this is our 200 amp hour, so it will take longer than that, close to, let's say, 20 hours before it finishes the discharge. So the power now is 135.8 watts. So once it's done, we'll now know the capacity of this battery. Alright, thank you so much. If you like what I do on this channel, give me a thumbs up and also follow for more. Alright, goodbye.